Hello, everybody. Welcome to the EmploiF1rst video screencast. In this video, I'm just going to kind of be walking through the flow of the app and showing you all the cool features we implemented this semester. So let's go. When we click this About button, it's going to take us to a little description of what we're all about. And then contact us. It takes you to a very pretty form where you can send the EmploiF1rst team any kind of quandaries you have or any issues you found, and we could kind of resolve that for you. All right, so now next step is we're gonna showcase how we register as either a graduate or an employer.
Hi, I'm gonna show you how to set up your account using a lot of different options and also with email verifications. So when you go to EmploiF1rst.com pages, you will have login button in the top right corner. So let's click that, and it redirects you to this login pages. So you have two options. First, which is logging with your just personal account, any type of emails, or you can do it with login with Google. So for this cases, I'm gonna show you how to use the login as Google. So when you click this button, will actually show a pop-up from Google that asks you to which Gmail account that you're gonna use. I'm gonna select the account that I'm using. So let's try that. Cool. I have successfully created an account for EmploiF1rst as a graduate. When you go back to your login pages, and you will see that there's a option. The button's called the register. So when you click here, and you have to type some information. So I'm gonna put Jeong and Do, and I'm gonna put my actual email that I am using. So here, and then I'm gonna set up the password to be 1234556. Okay, registered. Now it takes you to the pages where you need to verify your emails. So in EmploiF1rst, we ask users to verify their emails because to enhance the security and user privacy. So as you come here, if you click the send email buttons, okay, so verification emails has been sent successfully. So when you go here, and you will see a new emails and it says to verify your email. So you click this, and it will redirect you to pages of to the dashboards, and you successfully verified your emails on your account. But there could be cases where you might forget your passwords. So in that case, you can use this forget passwords button. So let's click that, and then you can enter your emails that you register for. And now I'm gonna send the email, and now the reset password email has been successfully sent. So let's go back to my Gmail account, and now I see the email that says password reset request. So I click that, I can set up a new password. So let's do that. So let's do okay, so let's do the password to be test123. Test123. Okay, now I successfully reset the password. Now it's being redirecting. So cool. So then let's try the login with our new passwords. Test123. Cool. So I show you how to reset your passwords when you forget your passwords.
Perfect. So as you can see here, we made a job previously. Let's click on this card, and yeah, we can see all the details, salary, and other important information. So let's click back, and now let's look at the people who have applied to this job posting. So we have Baby Chan here. If we go to their profile, oh, awesome, software developer intern, top skills C, Java, and Python. Fantastic, exactly what we're looking for. And we can actually view the application they applied with. Clicking this button will download the resume they applied with. This one is the responses to questions. So in the job postings, we can kind of mandate certain things that the applicant has to answer. So this is that question, why do you want to work here? Because I'm jobless. A little bit of a grim response from this candidate, unfortunately. Let's move on. And now let's say we want to make a new job. So we're looking for a software engineer intern. Office location Calgary, person, full-time. Deadline will be that. And we like to compensate the employees well here. So we'll go pretty large range here. Wonderful. Alrighty, so job description, embark on coding with the best company ever, right? And we can see how that's going to be formatted. Beautiful with the markdown. Responsibilities, maintain backend, make APIs, and maintain website front. Alrighty, yeah, looks great to me. Requirements, be a good coder, communication, everybody loves communication, and just be a chill guy, because who doesn't like a chill guy? Looks great to me. Skills we can specify, JavaScript is cool, I guess, or React. All right, so now we can also make the applicants answer certain questions. So have you made any projects? And what is your favorite coding language? All right, so we're gonna add that. Now we can also mandate which documents the applicant will have to submit. So we just want their resume, so we can post this job. Wonderful. Go to our dashboard, and as you can see, we have software engineering intern with all our kind of details that we included before. So now let's just go to our profile really quickly, and we can actually edit the profile. Change the picture. Let's go here. Wonderful. And yeah, we have all our recruiter information, all our postings, so it's very nice. And now let's move on to the applicant. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a list of wonderful jobs to apply for. Oh, kitchen food flipper, how fun is that? So let's click on the job details of social media analyst for Google. Oh wow, really, really cool stuff. Maybe I'll apply for that. And as you can see, we started, so we can apply to this later if we'd like. But let's say that we only want to see jobs that appear in Edmonton, for example. So we'll go here, Edmonton, Alberta, and only jobs that are full-time. So clicking on that, it'll bring up these two, and we can kind of choose between what we want now, but I'm not too picky, so let's reset those changes. And the next cool thing I kind of want to showcase is the recommended job section. We curate these jobs based on kind of the skills, your preferences and qualifications of what we think you'll like and where we think you'll thrive the most. So, you got a lot of good potential in me, especially this one here. So let's go to our profile. And as you can see, chill guy, Bachelor of Science, University of Alberta. And we have all of our experience here. We can edit the skills as well. Let's say we haven't done C++ in a while, so don't need that anymore. Done with that, all of our experience, very nice. And great, we can also reset our password from the screen, but we won't do that right now. So let's go back to our track application. Then let's say the social media analyst position is really catching my eye. I want to apply. So let's apply. Could waste a bunch of time and manually input everything, but who has time for that? We're too busy lead coding, so let's autofill. And as you can see, with one click of a button, everything is filled in beautifully in a matter of seconds. So let's go next. And why are you interested in working as a social media manager? To make money. How do you keep up with social media trends? I watch too much TikTok. Not speaking from personal experience, of course. And we can upload both here. Beautiful. And let's submit an application. Perfect. So now that we've applied, we can go to this section here, view our application, make sure everything looks great. Why are you interested in working as a social media manager? To make money. Employers love honesty. How do you keep up with social media trends? TikTok, good to stay trendy. And all of our work experience is showcased right here. So yeah, that's everything on the graduate side.